What if I told you? You can view an entire 360 degrees YouTube video in a single frame. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, using the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. Let's go! First things first, if you don't have it yet, go download the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. It's 100% free, open source, and works on Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, FIREFOX, Brave, Vivaldi, Naver Whale, and Opera. Here's how. Head over to the Chrome Web Store, type Turn Off the Lights into the search bar, find the extension, and smash that blue Add to Chrome button. Boom. And Turn Off the Lights is installed. You're halfway there already. Currently, when you play a 360 degrees YouTube video, you have to manually swipe left, right, up, or down to view different angles. But wait, there's a better way. Now you can watch the entire 360 degrees video in a single frame. Here's how. Right-click the gray lamp button from the Turn Off the Lights extension. Select Options from the menu. On the Turn Off the Lights options page, scroll to the bottom. Enable the checkbox labeled Show the full 360 degrees YouTube video in one frame. Now, go back to your YouTube video. At the top, you'll see the full 360 degrees view in one frame, and below that, a vertical frame showing the focused view. And that's it. You just unlocked a secret hack that most people don't even know about. Smash that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more hidden internet hacks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.